to get your hacked Roblox account back? Watch this video to get your account back in under 2 days. Open your browser and search Roblox. Click the official site. Then Help and Safety. Then Violation and Appeal. This is the only correct path. Avoid random forms. Enter your hacked username and current email. Type your email twice to confirm. One typo and you lose the recovery email. Select your device. Under Type of Help category, choose Account Hacked or Can't Log In, then Subcategory, Account Hacked. In the description box, use this short message. Dear Roblox, my account was recently hacked and I no longer have access. The username is your username. Please help me retrieve it. Thank you. Replace your username before sending. Final step. After submitting, wait 24 to 48 hours for Roblox's email. Click the link to reset your password. Check your spam folder every few hours. Subscribe